My name is Kat, just like the animal, and today we're setting off into nature. Let's go. My favorite flower is a daisy. That's why I love the expression, as fresh as a daisy. What does it mean? Well, it's perfect for when you want to describe something healthy, energetic, and youthful. Let's see an example. I was feeling so run down after pulling an all-nighter at the office. But now that I've had a nice long nap, I feel as fresh as a daisy. So when you're keeping it fresh, why not keep it as fresh as a daisy? When do you feel as fresh as a daisy? Let me know down below. You sleep all the time. You must always feel as fresh as a daisy, right?